Welcome back to Anonymous KS Aspirant channel. So, the day 24th went like this. I studied, this timetable was for 12 hours, but I was able to give 8 hours. Overall, it was a productive day, except for I just showed a little lethargy. I think usko cope up karungi, then I'll be able to give 12 hours if I'm not at work. So that is one good part. Other than that, I tried to complete whatever I had to read with conscious mind and with discipline. So yes, I was able to incorporate this too. And also regarding the revising through recall, I haven't revised this morning what I've studied last day, but I'm planning to recall it during my commute. So I will get onto this in my next video, that was I able to do this or not. So I had planned this timetable of 12 hours, and I had uh, uh, told myself that I'll give at least 10 hours, but I was only able to give 8 hours. So yeah, I think I now know where do I lack. मुझे एक पॉइंट पे लगता है व्हेन आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन 6 hours कि ओके नाउ आई हैव already sat for 6 hours, so thoda sa break le lete, and that break usually gets longer. So the takeaway here is not to be lethargic in the middle of the session till I have completed 3 slots of 3 hours, because usse pehle agar I'm showing lethargy, then there's 100% chances that I'll not be able to complete this. So regarding enrolling of Anthro test series, I have enrolled. कुछ इसमें फॉल्ट आ रहा है द पेमेंट, बट आई मेक श्योर कि वो मैं आज कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. And then planning according to the forum test, I have not done that because I am planning to do ethics test on 19th, that is tomorrow. And after that I'll re-revise my complete schedule for the next month. There are hardly now 60 or 50 days left, so there's very less time left and very much to do. So yeah, let's quickly see what I have to do today. Okay, so also I'm not very regular with my daily news analysis. I think I'm lacking in that too. Probably what I'm planning is when I go to the bed, तब मैं उसको complete करने की कोशिश करूँ. So let's incorporate that today. So चीज़ें जो आज incorporate करनी है is to do daily news analysis during bedtime. Recall wala, see if recall works. Yeah, that's about it. um, Regarding anthropology, I have seen the schedule of the test series I'm joining. So uske hisab se I'm going right. I think paper 2 they have bifurcated in tribal anthropology and Indian anthropology, and that they have kept in last. So uske according I'll also do that in last. So filhal I'm just going with anthropology 1, and then daily news analysis, and then third is GS 4. Currently I'm doing ethics. So ethics k today I have to do 3 chapters. According to my speed, I'm taking 3 chapters. I mean 3 hours per chapter. So uske according to, I think I'd be able to do only 2 chapters. So attitude and human values is what I should schedule for. Then anthropology में I will do 2.4. I think that is family. And daily news analysis. Yeah, I think this is about today. Also have some major works to do, major work to do in my office. So I think ये complete करना भी is a task, but I have to do this because if I'm lacking in this today, तो I this will be very problematic for me tomorrow. Today is 17/12/21, and this is day. No, today is. Wait, wait. What day is today, dude? 18. Oh god. Oh god, oh god. Already in my senses, I'm one day late. Buck up, Charu. Alright, so we are at day 26. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.